We're going to do a little stretch and a meditation. Meditation, what's that? That's when you close your eyes, you breathe in and out, and you think about fun things that you want to do. And then if you work really hard and you play, you'll get to do them. Like Yensei was a pro wrestler. If you don't know what that is, it's where you're acting and you're jumping and you're in costumes, and now Yensei gets to teach kids because Yensei follows his dreams. Yensei meditates a lot. So what you do is you sit like this, okay? And then all I want you to do is we're gonna grab onto a string. There's no real string, but imagine that you're a puppet. You know, one of those puppets that kind of hangs by the strings, and you go like this, grab onto your string, pull your string up. You see how much closer you're sitting up? Just like that? Okay, good. So now, everybody close your eyes. Put your hands on your belly. Breathe in, make your belly really, really big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Now we're going to make a sound of the letter A, and what we're going to do is we're going to vibrate the entire room. This is using our vibrating power. Everyone breathe in and go, ah. How many of you feel like you're vibrating like whoa, 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 whoa? Okay, good. Let's do an M sound. Everybody close your eyes. Breathe in, big belly breath in. Breathe out. Everybody go. How do you feel? Do you feel a little bit calmer when you do that? I do. I love doing those sounds because it helps vibrate my body. Scruffy, do you want to say hi? Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. No? Okay. I was going to have my buddy Scruffy come in and do some Yogarate with us. Okay, so now eyes closed. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. I want you all to think about something that you love to do that's a lot of fun. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. I want you to think about something that you love to do that's a lot of fun, that you like to talk about. Big belly breath in, big belly breath out. Now breathe in and imagine in your mind, make a movie in your mind or a TV show of you doing that. Breathe in and breathe out. Oh, hi, buddy. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, Scruffy's doing yoga with us. Are you doing your pose? All right. So one more time, everybody open your eyes. Everyone say hi, Scruffy. Everyone say bye, Scruffy. Where are you going, buddy? Okay, are you coming back? Okay. Awesome. I love dogs. Dogs I love. Who has a dog? Raise your hand. Anybody have a dog? Anybody have a kitty? Anybody have any other kitty? Anybody have any other animals? You do? All right, that's awesome. I give my doggy hugs every single day. This is my doggy Scruffy, and he does yoga. Do you love doing yoga, Scruffy? Okay. Everyone say hi, Scruffy. Yoga-Rah-Tay, yeah. Okay, buddy. All right.